Hello everybody, we're back at the level crossing in Mana today to see a very special train that'll be passing through here probably in the next couple of minutes. My mum and dad are on this train for my dad's birthday. I've just dropped them off, they've just got on board, and so they'll be coming through here very shortly, and so I'm looking forward to filming the train coming through, possibly getting some photos as well. The train will be heading in this direction. I mean, you probably know exactly what train this is going to be because you've probably seen it in the thumbnail and in the video title, but I'm not going to tell you any more than that. I'm going to let the train speak for itself when it comes through. So I can see what's coming in the distance because I can see the main tracks over there, and it looks like our very special train has been held at Porirua to let a normal commuter train come through first, which is probably somewhere around Parramatta. Yeah, I was right, they did exactly that. Let the commuter train through first. Oh, look at this. God, my hands are shaking with excitement. Oops, shit. Absolutely bloody brilliant. A puff of smoke. Oh, sorry. Try looking at the camera and not at the train. Okay, there it goes.